Welcome back to another episode of Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland. I'm the president of Myrland Marketing and Social Media. I'm a marketing and business development advisor specializing in content, social, and digital media marketing. All right, Legal Marketing Moments is meant to be quick, timely, and helpful, so let's get to it. I want to talk for just a minute about bundling your services and your prices as a way to thank and retain clients, but also as a way to attract new business. If you are going to be performing similar work for your client, let's say it could be a retainer situation where you know you're going to be doing similar work on a monthly basis, or let's say, if I used myself as a comparison, I'm going to be doing a 2 or 3 part webinar series, then why not create value billing for or bundling your prices and your packages so that your clients see a discount, see a value billing situation, and all of a sudden they think, oh, this person doesn't cost $1,000, $1,500 an hour. They're giving me a discount because I'm committing to more business to them and I'm giving them more business, and this is their way of thanking me. I like that. It's predictable. I'm getting a really good deal, and it's a good deal for you too, because what you're doing is giving them an incentive to stay with you or to do business with you because you are not charging the same amount for similar work, particularly when it's a series or it's a matter that's drawn out. So this could take so many different paths. This could look so many different ways. But what I want you to do is to think about some situations where you could create some valuable, value-based billing, bundling investment packages for your clients. It might even be that you say, if you sense that your client thinks that your cost is too expensive or that your package or that the matter is going to be too expensive, that you then offer to come and train the department or their legal department or their employees, their staff on some matter that is related. It is a value-added benefit that you can add, or that you will repeat a discussion. You will do it again for people who happen to miss that session. And all of a sudden you have stretched your services and you have not charged any more. If you want to talk about this, I'm always happy to do that. With Legal Marketing Moments, I'm Nancy Myrland. If you want to get a hold of me, you can email me at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, or just go to the contact page on my website, which is myrlandmarketing.com. That's MYRLAND marketing.com. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Thanks for being here. Take care.